Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to clear your cache. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. Then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over into your phone settings and then look up Discord. And then from here, you'll see a couple of different things. Uh, if you're on Android, then you should see the cache here. Should just be a section called cache. But if you're on iPhone, you do have to look up your storage. And then go into the app from your storage. So let's go ahead and just look up Discord. So I have to find it. And then as you see, you'll see it says documents and data. And what you're going to want to do is just press offload app. And then you're going to want to pretty much say clear cache on Android. And then it'll go ahead and clear the cache. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a Discord mobile tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.